So, welcome to our next lesson of this module number 2, in which we are going to learn some different types of prompts we have. So, there are three types of prompts right now. So, we will hope there are more prompts will come in future as this prompt engineering field goes emerging technology it will the more prompt techniques and patterns can innovate in upcoming future. So for that today's we have for no technology for no prompt engineering field we have some three different types of prompts like instructional prompts, open-ended versus closed-ended prompts, and multi-conversational prompts. So we have these three types of prompts. This is a basic prompts. So this is a foundation prompts because in this first two prompts are simply basics. When compared to third one, that is multi-conversational prompts, we have so many advanced prompt patterns that we discuss in upcoming module classes. So let's see the first one. So first one is instructional prompts. This prompts is actually simple questions, queries, or instructions that you will ask AI model to generate a specific answer. Okay, you can see the example here. List 5 healthy snacks for children and explain why they are healthy. This is a simple question you will ask to AI model to get the answer. So it is simple, right? Simple asking question to AI model is called an instructional prompt. So writing a question or query or instruction is also called as a prompt. Okay, you can see that in name here only we can understand that is instructional prompt because uh, we have to give some instruction to AI model to get AI output. So you can see when the instructional prompts will work better. So when you need structured or factual or step-by-step answers, right? You can give the instructions like teachers in the college or schools will instruct the students to do some experiments like that. So like that you can ask to AI to generate a step-by-step procedure for uh, completing the photosynthesis experiment like that. So it will work better when compared to other prompt methods. Next prompt types we have, that is open-ended versus closed-ended prompts. So you can see here open-ended prompts means encouraging creativity and longer response. Yes, you can see this. Open-ended means adaptive nature or getting that the prompt which challenge the model to think and to generate a output which have more information. Like you can see the example here. What do you think are the benefits of renewable energy? Because in open-ended you are writing the prompt like the AI should think. Okay, you can see the example here. What do you think are the benefits of renewable energy? So it will the AI should think like creativity, and it will give the best output, longer responses for this prompt. While come back to close-ended prompts, so it will simple for specific answers like what is the capital city of India, the answer will be the Delhi. It is a simple question and getting the specific answer, that is close-ended. There is no thinking, creativity, and there is no longer response or step-by-step anything like that. So close-ended means simple asking question is called close-ended prompts. When compared to open-ended prompts which encourages the creativity in AI and which generate the longer response, that called open-ended prompts. So you can see the example here. For better understanding, you can write the open-ended prompt in any language model you like, and you can see the output. After that you can write any close-ended prompt which have which you want specific answer, like what is the capital city of France, India, like that. You can get the specific answer which there is no have some creativity or there is no longer response in it. So you can check it out. Okay, you will easily understand about this difference between these prompts. Let's see the third one, which is very important in prompt engineering. So multi-turn conversational prompts. So you have earlier see these two types of prompts. There is no some reasoning in it. It is a simple writing question or instructions and getting the answers from it. But when compared to multi-turn conversational prompts, it have some refining power process, refining output analyzing, and much more in this multi-turn conversational prompts. So we will explore more advanced prompt patterns under this multi-turn conversational prompts in upcoming model classes. So don't worry, we will cover all those stuff in upcoming course classes. So let's see here. Let's know some basic foundation of this conversational prompt. Sometimes you need to have a conversation with AI. For example, you will write a prompt. That is first prompt like tell me about renewable energy. So it will generate some renewable energy information. After that, you will ask a follow-up question which is related to previous prompt that is generated by AI. Sorry, that is output. Okay. It first you will write a tell me about renewable energy. After that, AI will generate some uh, energy about renewable energy information. After that, you will ask a some follow-up question based on output of previous prompt. In this case, tell me about renewable energy. You can see the follow-up prompt here. Can you explain the environmental benefits of wind energy in more detail? Okay, so it is a follow-up question. After that, you can have many follow-up questions. You can write a third follow-up question, fourth, fifth, as many as you want. So in this called an multi-turn conversational prompts, in which you will mm, talk with AI in conversational format, like we do chatting with our friends, family members, colleagues. Like once we will write some text, they will written text. So after that, we will ask some follow-up question or like that. Same, it is a simple prompt. Okay, so we have so this build a dialogue which is useful in chatbots or multi-step tasks. So you can see the chatbot like ChatGPT, other AI language models, or like these multi-turn conversational prompts. So you will ask a follow-up question or other question in same patterns like that. So this is a easy multi-turn conversational prompts for. Okay, we will explore more in upcoming classes. Okay, yeah. So that's it for this lesson, guys, and let's move to our next lesson of module number 2, that is basic prompt patterns, in which we will use ChatGPT. Okay, we will use ChatGPT to understand the different types of basic prompt patterns, and we will use ChatGPT to for practical implementation of prompts and how they will work and how we have to write all those stuff in upcoming in this next lesson of this module. Let's dive into the different types of basic prompts, and we will use ChatGPT for practical implementation. Let's go.